Microsoft Office and Google Workspace are two leading productivity suites. The core difference is that Microsoft Office offers powerful desktop applications with rich features, while Google Workspace focuses on cloud-based collaboration and accessibility across devices. Microsoft Office is a comprehensive suite of desktop applications including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. It operates primarily on Windows and Mac computers, providing advanced tools for document creation, data analysis, presentations, and email management. The software installs locally, ensuring fast performance and offline access. Microsoft Office excels with its deep feature set, extensive formatting options, and compatibility with complex workflows, making it ideal for professionals who require robust functionality. However, it can be more resource-intensive and less seamless for real-time collaboration, unless paired with cloud services like OneDrive or SharePoint. Licensing costs vary with subscription plans such as Microsoft 365, which also offers cloud integration and regular updates. The ideal user is someone who values powerful, feature-rich applications and often works offline or with large, complex files. Google Workspace is a cloud-first productivity suite that includes Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Calendar. It operates entirely online, allowing users to create, edit, and share documents in real time from any device with internet access. Collaboration is a standout feature, with multiple users able to work simultaneously on files, leave comments, and track changes effortlessly. Google Workspace integrates tightly with Google Drive for storage and supports seamless communication through Google Meet and Chat. While it offers fewer advanced formatting and data analysis tools compared to Microsoft Office, its simplicity and accessibility make it perfect for teams focused on collaboration and remote work. Pricing is subscription-based, with flexible tiers for businesses of all sizes. The ideal user is someone who prioritizes easy sharing, cloud storage, and teamwork over complex document features. Microsoft Office and Google Workspace each shine in different scenarios. Microsoft Office suits users needing powerful offline tools, such as financial analysts or content creators working with detailed formatting. Its desktop apps handle large files and complex projects efficiently. On the other hand, Google Workspace excels in environments where collaboration and mobility are key, like remote teams or educational settings, thanks to its real-time editing and cloud storage. The trade-off involves Microsoft Office's higher system requirements and cost versus Google Workspace's reliance on internet connectivity and simpler feature set. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize advanced functionality or seamless collaboration and accessibility. Microsoft Office is recommended for professionals who need comprehensive, feature-rich desktop applications and work frequently with complex documents or offline. Google Workspace is ideal for teams and individuals seeking effortless collaboration and cloud accessibility. Its user-friendly interface and real-time sharing capabilities make it the best choice for dynamic, remote, or fast-paced workflows. Choose based on your productivity priorities and work style.